Carolinas AGC. I'm Ed Pat, your Director of Development, and I'm excited to share with you that in March I'll have the opportunity to join over 150,000 construction industry professionals from around the world in Las Vegas at the ConExpo, the world's largest construction industry trade show. I'm going there to share the story of Carolinas AGC, our amazing history, our exciting vision for the future, and to invite those who do business in the Carolinas to join our team. Also have the opportunity to have a little bit of fun checking out construction's latest trends, technologies, material, and equipment. So check in with us on Facebook or Twitter March 4th, 5th, or 6th and find out what's happening in construction across the globe. It's just another example of how Carolinas AGC is building your business.